Get ready for an amazing experience with my quiz challenge. Test your knowledge, challenge yourself, and see how far you can go. Are you ready to play? Question 1. Which planet did NASA first land humans on? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Moon, D. Jupiter. The answer is C. Moon. Question 2. What is the name of the first U.S. space mission to land on the moon? A. Apollo 10, B. Apollo 11, C. Apollo 12, D. Apollo 13. The answer is B. Apollo 11. Question 3. What do we call the movement of Earth on its axis? A. Revolution, B. Gravity, C. Orbit, D. Rotation. The answer is D. Rotation. Question 4. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Neil Armstrong, B. Buzz Aldrin, C. John Glenn, D. Alan Shepard. The answer is A. Neil Armstrong. Question 5. What is the Sun? A. Planet, B. Asteroid, C. Moon, D. Star. The answer is D. Star. Question 6. What is the force that pulls objects toward Earth? A. Magnetism, B. Gravity, C. Energy, D. Light. The answer is B. Gravity. Question 7. Which part of the plant makes food? A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Flower. The answer is C. Leaf. Question 8. What gas do humans need to breathe? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The answer is A. Oxygen. Question 9. What gas do plants use to make food? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Helium. The answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Question 10. What is H2O commonly known as? A. Salt, B. Water, C. Sugar, D. Oxygen. The answer is B. Water. Question 11. What part of the body helps us think? A. Heart, B. Lungs, C. Brain, D. Stomach. The answer is C. Brain. Question 12. What do we call animals that eat only plants? A. Herbivores, B. Carnivores, C. Omnivores, D. Insectivores. The answer is A. Herbivores. Question 13. What do we call animals that eat meat? A. Herbivores, B. Plant eaters, C. Omnivores, D. Carnivores. The answer is D. Carnivores. Question 14. What is the center of our solar system? A. Earth, B. Moon, C. Sun, D. Mars. The answer is C. Sun. Question 15. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, D. Saturn? The answer is B. Jupiter. Question 16. What is the closest planet to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. Mars? The answer is C. Mercury. Question 17. What do bees make? A. Milk, B. Honey, C. Juice, D. Sugar? The answer is B. Honey. Question 18. What is the main source of energy for Earth? A. Sun, B. Moon, C. Wind, D. Water? The answer is A. Sun. Question 19. What do we call frozen water? A. Steam, B. Vapor, C. Gas, D. Ice? The answer is D. Ice. Question 20. Which organ helps us breathe? A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Lungs, D. Liver? The answer is C. Lungs. Question 21. What is the Earth mostly covered with? A. Land, B. Water, C. Sand, D. Ice? The answer is B. Water. Question 22. What do we call a scientist who studies space? A. Biologist, B. Chemist, C. Astronomer, D. Doctor? The answer is C. Astronomer. Question 23. What is the shape of the Earth? A. Flat, B. Square, C. Round, D. Triangle? The answer is C. Round. Question 24. What do plants need to grow? A. Sunlight, water, and air, B. Only sunlight, C. Only water, D. Only soil? The answer is A. Sunlight, water, and air. Question 25. What is lightning? A. Water, B. Electricity, C. Air, D. Fire? The answer is B. Electricity. Question 26. What is the study of plants called? A. Zoology, B. Chemistry, C. Physics, D. Botany? The answer is D. Botany. Question 27. What is the study of animals called? A. Zoology, B. Botany, C. Geology, D. Physics? The answer is A. Zoology. Question 28. What gas do we breathe out? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Helium? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 29. What do we call a baby frog? A. Cub, B. Puppy, C. Chick, D. Tadpole? The answer is D. Tadpole. Question 30. What do we call the path Earth takes around the Sun? A. Rotation, B. Orbit, C. Axis, D. Gravity? The answer is B. Orbit.